Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by inserting a helper. Open the VBA editor with Alt plus F11 and add a module in the workbook you will use. Once done, paste a clean number to words function into that module. This creates a reusable routine you can call from any sheet. Save the file as a macro-enabled workbook. XLSM, so the function persists. Make sure macros are enabled in Trust Center. Otherwise, Excel won't run the code, and your function will return an error or hash name. Now you call that function from the worksheet. For example, type equals num to words, A1, or pass a literal like equals num to words, 1,234. 56. You can customize the VBA code to format currency words, control decimal handling, or add language rules. Edit the function to change separators or rounding behavior. Once you modify the code, resave and recalculate the sheet. Make sure to test common edge cases such as 0, negative numbers, and very large. To finish, convert formula outputs to static words by copying the results and using paste special values. This ensures portability without macros. If you see hash name or blank cells, make sure macros are enabled and the function name matches exactly, and confirm the workbook is open with the module present. Once you've validated results, back up the workbook, and if sharing, inform recipients to enable macros or provide a values-only copy. For persistent errors, reopen VBA and step through the function with F8 to find the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.